I'm Janine Dowdy, and welcome to my fourth book critique. For this book critique, I'll be focusing on books for older readers for grades 4th to 5th. For my feature text, I have chosen The Gardener by Sarah Stewart. This book is a great read that is filled with beautiful pictures and is filled with a wonderful story. It is about a girl, Lydia Grace, who has to move with her extended family because her dad and mom have lost their jobs. She moves from her beautiful country home to a city with her grumpy uncle. Until things get better, the main character, Lydia Grace, who loves to write letters to her extended family and plant flowers, continues to do this. As she is planning a big surprise to make her uncle smile, her grandma sends her letters as she begins to plant them to help the stuffy city shine with beautiful colors and of flowers. This book is filled with beautiful illustrations, and the book is designed to where each page is a letter as she sends it to her family. The lesson plan that I would do for The Gardener would be a lesson plan for English Language Arts. The students would read The Gardener. They will then begin to write their own letters to their parents, aunts, uncles, or grandparents. They will then use the website Bunsey to create their own letters to share with the class. Once they are finished, they will send them to their families as if they were real letters. Here are some examples of what they will look like. You can use an envelope and design it with a logo from the state that they're from, or any different logos provided by Bunsey. You can even write inside the letter and create your own message to them. For the next lesson plan that I have would be a lesson plan for science. Students will read The Gardener. They will then study about plant life and the different types of flowers. They will then make their own garden in the school with seeds and resources provided by the teacher. They will then write in their journals a summary of the growing process. Here are some other good reads for picture books for older readers. The Relatives Came. The Relatives Came is a book by Cynthia Ryland. It's a Caldecott Award winner picture book for older readers. This book is about a family that goes on a family vacation in their rainbow-colored station wagon that smells like your basic family car. They have a huge family that each member goes to this family vacation. You can never tell who is who, but they still have a great time as they return every year for their great big family vacation. For the next book I have is another Caldecott Award winner picture book for older readers, the Zozo Quest book and folktale. The Treasure by Yuri Shulevitz is a book about a man who has a dream, and in his dream he is given voices that he should go to Capital City to find a treasure. As he ventures out on his journey to find the treasure, what he ends up finding reveals the meaning to himself, with a great moral ending. For my next book I have is On Market Street by Anita and Arnold Lobel. This Caldecott Award winner children's book for older readers, a pattern book. It's a great book about a girl who goes to the market and discovers different groceries and foods, beginning with the letters of the alphabet. This book is full of beautiful illustrations that help you learn the alphabet in a well-designed manner. Here are some other good reads for children's picture books for older readers. For the book I have here is Fables by Arnold Lobel. It's a Caldecott Award winner genre picture book for older readers. For my next book, I have The Glorious Flight, another Caldecott Award winner. For my next book, I have The Girl Who Loved Wild Horses. This Caldecott Award winner book and genre book for older readers. For my next book and last book, I have It Could Be Worse by Margaret Zemak. This is a Caldecott Award winner book, genre picture book for older readers. Thank you so much for watching.